Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss weighted aggregative method. Number 1 Laspier's method, number 2 Poiseuille's, or number 3 Fisher's index number. We have to clear all these three formulae under weighted aggregative method. Statement is given. In this statement, 4 commodities are given, base year prices or current year prices as well as quantity is also given, which will be represented by small q. Base year price is P0, Q0. Current year price is P1 or current year quantity Q1. Next, further 4 columns we have to multiply price multiplied by quantity, either base year prices or base year quantity or current year quantity. So first of all we will multiply base year prices multiplied by base year quantity. Next we have to multiply current year price or current year quantity. Next we have to multiply current year price P0 or Q1, and last one is P1 Q0. Further options will not be there. So first of all P0 Q0, P0 multiplied by Q0, that is 300, 120, 6 multiplied by 20, 120, and last one is 40. Next P1 Q0, 12 multiplied by 50, 600, 250, 180, and last one is 120. Next P0 Q1, 10 multiplied by 50, 500, 200, 180, and last one is 80. P0 Q1. अब ये मिडल टू वैल्यूज बेस ईयर क्वांटिटी और करंट ईयर प्राइस, $360, 150, 120, and last one is 60. Now sum up all these values. Sigma P0 Q0, next sigma P1 Q1, next sigma P0 Q1, next sigma P1 Q0 is equal to P0 Q0 0, 8, 580. Next 0, 1150. Next one is 0, 960, and last one is 0, 9, 690. These are the summation of all these values. Now let us start first formula, Laspier's method. P01 is equal to sigma P1 divided by sigma P0 multiplied by Q0, Q0 multiplied by 100. Let us put the values. P1 Q0, P1 Q0 690, 690 divided by P0 Q0, which is 580, multiplied by 100 is equal to 118.96. This is Laspier's method. Next, for the calculation of Poiseuille's method, P01 is equal to summation P1 divided by sigma P0, Q1 divided by Q1 multiplied by 100 is equal to P1 Q1 1150 divided by P0 Q1 960 multiplied by 100 is equal to 119.79 will be the answer of Laspier's method, Poiseuille's method. Next, for Fisher's index number, price index of base year or current year is equal to sigma P1 divided by sigma P0 multiplied by Q0 or multiplied by sigma P1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 divided by Q1 whole under root or multiplied by 100. 100 will be external, it not be under root. Sigma P1 or Q0. Let us put the values. P1 Q0 which is 690 divided by P0 Q0 580. Actually this is Laspier's method and this is Poiseuille's method. Multiplied by sigma P1 Q1 1150 divided by sigma P0 Q1 960 whole under root multiplied by 100 is equal to 1.4250 under root multiplied by 100 is equal to 1.1937 multiplied by 100 or is equal to 119.37 will be the answer of Fisher's ideal index number. So do subscribe my channel for see more videos related to more sums related to index number. Thank you.